If you or a loved one are struggling with type 2 diabetes, you should visit the link in the description below. This clinically proven, drug-free program lowers blood sugar to a normal level and can completely reverse type 2 diabetes within just a few weeks. Here's today's video.
The question, how can you tell if you're diabetic without a doctor? Answer by Vicky Bauman. You probably do not need a prescription to buy Diastix. It depends on where you live, though your insurance won't pay for it. Diastix are plastic strips that you dip into a urine sample. It changes color, indicating the level of sugar in your urine. You can also buy a glucometer and test strips without a prescription, but again your insurance won't pay for it. This costs a lot more than the Diastix. With either of these, you can test regularly over a period of several days and record the results. If they are consistently high, you do need to see a doctor for further testing and treatment. It would be a good idea to keep a record of your meals as well, because that affects your blood sugar/urine test results. Answer by Norm Napper. In early 1998, I was taken to the local hospital's emergency room having lost an incredible amount of weight, suffering unquenchable thirst, urinating every 5 minutes, a mouth totally devoid of moisture, my teeth were sticking to the inside of my lips, general overall weakness, and strangely, almost 20/20 eyesight without eyeglasses, which it had to wear for 22 years. In hospital, they did a blood workout and discovered my blood glucose level was 52 millimoles/L, or 936 milligrams/dl. I was on the verge of a diabetic coma. So, if you feel any of the symptoms above, including changes in eyesight, for the worse or better, get to a doctor or the hospital. Oh yes, you can also get yourself a blood glucose monitor and check your own blood. The monitor, the test strips, lancing device and lances, used to prick your finger to draw blood, can be purchased at any pharmacy. Here's a website with information on what your numbers should be. Blood sugar level ranges. Answer by Alan Gunsel. Diabetes means excess urine output. So Hippocrates allegedly took a urine specimen and some dry between his thumb and index finger. If it had sugar in it, it was diabetes mellitus, and if an excess urinating patient, it was not sticky, it was diabetes insipidus, which is a pituitary disease.